This is a 2013 BMW X5. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a cold weather package, the Sport Activity Package, Bluetooth cell phone integration, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, xDrive, adaptive brake lights, hill descent control, roof rails, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: steering wheel memory settings, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a premium sound system, interior wood trim accents, BMW individual composition, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 4,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
BMW of San Antonio is located at 8434 Airport Boulevard in San Antonio. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.